Okay.
Okay, sorry for that delay. Right, so since we are going live stream, solving the paper of 2022-23 onwards. Yesterday, few of the students were there already. I think we have completed all the MCQs. Correct? Assertion reason is left out. You have done that also. So just one quick review, since a few new students have already joined the class, and even the students who are sitting in the home, let them also watch. Okay, so coming to the first question, the question is, they have given two values, A and B. What is the value of A? It is a P cube, Q to the power 4, and B value is P square Q cube. The question is, HCF and LCM are in the form of P to the power M, Q to the power N, and P to the power R, and Q to the power S. This is HCF and LCM given, A and B value given. They might be a composite numbers. But what they are asking us to find is, what is M plus N into R plus S? So you all know that how to find HCF and LCM. HCF, we know it is the highest common factor, but what you should take? In simple, take the smallest number. For example, x and x square. Who is what common I can take from this? X. Okay. Now x and x cube. What is the least common I can take? X cube. It cannot be taken. In a simple word, that will be your HCF. That will be your LCM. So now tell me, what will be your HCF of these two? P square Q to the power 3. Then this will be P cube Q to the power 4. M plus N into R plus N. 2 plus 3 is 3 plus 4 is, what is your answer? 35. So which option it will be? Option C. Okay. Coming to the second question. I hope you all know the prime number which you have studied from grade 6. What is 5? First, it is an odd number. Next, is it a prime number? Yes. On what basis? It is divisible by 1 or itself. That itself is 5. Now, suppose if I take P as a prime number, it might be any prime number, 2, 3, 5, infinite. The possibilities are what? 1 and P. Now, these are called as factors. What they are called as? Factors. Then quadratic polynomial. Quadratic equation having its roots as factors of P, they are asking. You know how to form a quadratic equation? In polynomials chapter you have learned. What is the formula? P of x equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. When you substitute the values, x square minus, what is alpha here? You can take this as alpha and this as beta. 1 plus p of x plus 1 into p. Then what is your answer? X square minus of p plus 1x plus p. But this is a quadratic polynomial. Equation number equated to 0. So your final answer is x square minus of 1 plus px plus p. So which option it will be? Option B. Understood, right? Now coming to the third question. Question number 3 says, if alpha and beta are the zeros, please remember this one formula. When alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, because we have to solve the MCQs, right? Whenever sum of zeros is equal to product of zeros, then the coefficients of x square, x and constant, it will be in this form, minus b equal to c. So how did we get this? What is sum of zeros? Minus b by a. What is product of zeros? A cancels, no? Then what is remaining? Minus b equal to c. Then this is the direct formula. Now what is the question given here? F of x is equal to px square minus 2x plus 3b. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. What is a value? P. What is b value? Minus 2. What is c value? If alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, then what is p they are asking? What is the formula directly we will use? Minus b equal to c. Minus as per the formula. What is b value? Minus 2. What is c value? 3p. 2 is equal to 3p. 2 by 3 is equal to p. So what is the value of p now? 2 by 3. Which option it will be? Option B. Okay. So this is your question number 3. If anybody want to write it down, fastly write down. Meanwhile, others. Question number 4 you can try. What is the question number 4? Yesterday we have done it. If the system of equations 3x plus y equal to 1, b1 by b2 but not equal to. Some may ask, sir, which we should take, sir? Because here it is equal and unequal. Look at what they asked in the question. K is equal to, they said, no? Take these two. Yesterday you have already done, those who attended the classes. Now what you people do, take b1 by b2, now become inconsistent. You check this one. Meanwhile, others, they will try this. Those who have done this problem yesterday, I think you got K value as 2. Okay, now you try this one. B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. And tell me, for what value of K, it should not be there. Then only it will become inconsistent. Please check that.
Minus 2.
Minus 2, no. Check properly. Minus 1, I guess. So when you take A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, minus that minus 2 only. Okay. Then minus 2 should not be there. If it is minus 2, it will become consistent or dependent. Okay, that you have to check and get the answer. So coming this solution. Huh? 2 or minus 2 you check.
2, sir.
Okay. 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. Cross multiply. What will be the value when you cross multiply? 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. 3k minus 2k is equal to 3 minus 1. K value will be 2. And for this one, what will be k? Not equal to? Minus 2. Suppose if it is minus 2, it will not become inconsistent. It may become consistent or dependent. Okay, right. So this is your question number 4. Coming to fifth one, note down one shortcut formula. To find the fourth vertex of a parallelogram, this should be your heading. Write the heading, fourth vertex of parallelogram. Fourth vertex of parallelogram. You can use this formula. x1 plus x3 is equal to y1 plus y3. x2 plus x4 is equal to, sorry, one second.
x2 plus
x1 plus x3 is equal to x2 plus x4. y1 plus y3 is equal to y2 plus y4. Because parallelograms, when you join the diagonals, they bisect at what point? O. So that bisecting point O is called as midpoint, because OA will be equal to OC, OB will be equal to OD. So instead of doing that theoretical procedure, you remember this formula, because the divided by 2 also will get cancelled. Now what are the points given in the question? P they gave as 3, 4. Q they have given as minus 2, 3. R they have given as minus 3, minus 2. And yes, they have given, no, we should find it, x, y. To make my solution easy, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and this will be x4, y4. Now directly substitute 3 plus minus 3 is equal to x2 value minus 2 plus x. Anyhow, this will get cancelled. 3 minus 3 is nothing but a 0 equal to minus 2 plus x. So 2 is equal to x. Value of x will be 2. Now one trick, what it is there, see the options. There is only one option where x is 2. Rest all are either 1 or minus 2. I think this only will be the answer. But if all options are like with x value 2, then you find y value. Apply this formula, y1 plus y3. 4 plus of minus 2 is equal to, what is y2 value? 3 plus y. 4 minus 2 is 2 equal to 3 plus y. 2 minus 3 equal to y. What is the value of y? Minus 1. So just 2 steps, 1, 2. By this you can get the answer. Remember this formula to find the fourth vertex of parallelogram. Fourth vertex of the parallelogram. So this formula will be helpful. Copy down. Write fast. Sixth question, actually, it is of the deleted portion of triangles, which comes in the third exercise, old syllabus. Theorem 6.6. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to square of their corresponding sides. This was the theorem based on that. But since they have asked it, we'll write that formula. Yesterday you have written already. So those who haven't written, you can just note down. When a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, I hope you know this figure. Question number 12 and 14 of your textbook. Most important. Remember, ABC, PQR, AM is median, PN is median. These questions were there. Question number 12, question number 14, question number 16. Most important question. If in certain set, if they don't give this BPT theorem, no, 100% similar to this, right? And there is one solved example also, where we have to prove two triangles in the same manner. Okay. Now, for this triangle, when two triangles are similar, then area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR will be equal to square of all the sides. Who is extra here now? Median. AB by PQ whole square is equal. It can be any side. What is the, they are asking? Median's ratio only. What is the median ratio they give there? In the question, it is given as AM is to PN. AM by AN whole square. So how to find this? AM by PN. Now how to find this? What is AB by A? AB square is to PQ square they give, which is nothing but AB by PQ whole square is equal to AM by PN whole square. This formula you apply enough, you'll get your answer. This ratio answer is 4 by 9 is equal to AM by PN whole square. Now how to get AM by PN? You will take square root of this. Correct or no? If x square is 4, what is x value? Plus or minus 2. Sides cannot be negative. Okay. So this is equal to AM by PN. So your final answer is 2 by 3 and ratio is option number D. Okay. Option number D. So this is the first 6 questions related to, one is your first chapter, then the fourth chapter, second, then coordinate geometry and triangles. Okay. Now let us move to next question. So the next question is, find the value of x, and you should remember the trigonometry table. Turning the pages of or drawing that table is waste of time. Remember root 3, 1 by root 3. Okay, hint I'm telling you. Root 3, 1 by root 3. This will come in tan and cot only. Tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. Tan 60 will be root 3. Cot will be reciprocal, ulta. Understood, right? Then all 45 degrees are equal. Sin and cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Then tan and cot 45, 1. Then secant and cosecant. Last now remember 0 to 90. If sin 0 is 0, cos 90 will be. That's why they are complementary angles. We say no, sum of two acute angles is 90 degree. Antivilla right angle triangle. If one angle is right angle, what are two angles is question mark. Those two should be acute angles. And sum of those two acute angles should be always 90 degree, and 90 plus 90 becomes 180. So based on that, let us solve this one. X tan 60 degree cos 60 is equal to sin 60 and cot 60. You know tan 60 degree, just now I said it is root 3. And what is cos 60? Half, no, 1 by 2 is equal to sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cot 60, 1 by root 3. Many of you will cancel like this. Correct? Root 3 cancel, 2 cancel. That root 3 will be divided. Instead of that, what I will do? Root 3, 2 cancel. Now what is remaining? X equal to. This should be actually answer. But look at the options. Cos is there, tan, sin, cot. Just now I said this 1 by root 3 or root 3 will be in which trigonometric functions? Tan. Then either B option or D option. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. So the value of X is tan 30 degree. Is that clear? Okay. Now 8th question. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. This I think we asked for 2 marks in midterm exam. Okay, but it is an MCQ. Then what is the value of tan theta plus cot? I hope you know the quotient rule of tan and cot. Tan can be written as sin by cos. Cot can be written as. Whenever such problems are there, whatever is given, no, you square on both sides. That is the hint. What is given, no, what you should do? Square on both sides. 50% of your solution you will get. Now instead of writing sin theta plus cos theta, I will write in short form. What? When you square on both sides, it will be s plus c whole square is equal to root 2 square. S means sin, because MCQ is there. That's why I'm writing in short forms. This is s square plus c square, which is nothing but sin square plus cos square, plus 2 sin into cos is equal to 2. E2 cancel. Then don't do in exams, right? What is sin square plus cos square? 1 plus 2sc is equal to 2sc is equal to 2 minus 1 is. Then what is the sin into cos value? 1 by 2. But this is not my answer. What they are asking? Tan plus cot. Tan plus cot can be written as sin by cos plus cos by sin. What will be your LCM? Sin into cos. Already cos is there, sin will be multiplied. Already sin will be there, cos will be multiplied. Sin square plus cos square. So this answer equivalent will be 1 by, and sin into cos is 1 by 2. What is your answer? Which option it will be? Option B. Option B is your answer. Okay, so those who want to copy, you can copy for 1 minute. And yesterday, I think this 9th question we have done a bit wrong. Those who attended the class yesterday, option D you have wrote, no? That is not the answer. No, that will check today. Yesterday, I think we have done some mistake. We'll rectify that today. First, I will draw the figure of question number 9. There is a triangle ABC D and E are the points on the sides AB and AC. They said DE is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. Whenever two lines are parallel and the transversal intersects the parallel, then these two angles are called as corresponding angles. Again, these two angles are called as, remember this concept. Okay. Now, what values they have given? AE is A, EC is B. Total will be sum A plus B. Next, BC is Y, DE is X. Which of the following statements are true? Now, whenever there is a triangle and the line BPT will be in your mind, but here sides ratios are not given, AD by BD, but what they have given? Base. How many triangles are there here? One is largest triangle, ABC, which is the one more triangle, ADE. Please look at carefully. Angle A will be common and corresponding angles will be there. Which similarity criteria? So I will just write angle D is equal to angle B. You can apply this same similarity criteria for example 1. You try today. They have done with BPT adding 1 on both sides. Example 1 of triangles. Today when you go to home, you do that. This method applying angle similarity criteria. So by AA similarity, two triangles will be similar. Then what should be equal to each other? When true triangles are similar, dash proportional sides. First I will take the largest triangle. Okay, AB, then AC, and then base BC. Similarly, now smaller triangle AD is there. Then next will be AE, and next will be DE. Okay, I think ABD is not the unknown side. Leave it. What is AC? You tell me. Look at the figure carefully. A plus B. What is AE? A is equal to what is BC? And what is DE? X. This A cancels, no? Why? Common LCM. So don't be in a hurry and cancel like this. Okay, cross multiply. X into A plus B is equal to AY. Value of X is AY by A plus B. Which option? Option C. This is your answer. I think yesterday we have done X by Y equal to A by B, no? Yes or no? Those who attended the class yesterday. So this is your answer. Copy that. Question number 11 is of your circles. Tangents means theorem 10.2, you should remember. Tangents means theorem 10.2. Draw the figure of 10.2 theorem. Even those who are attending the online classes also. A circle, external point P, tangents will be AB. If I take the center OA, OB, by construction join OP. Which type of are you seeing in this figure? Then you will prove it by RHS rule only. SAS is highly impossible because nowhere we said these angles are equal. And even you can't say this, this, and this because this tangents only you should prove. And how you can take it as a given? So if you apply SAS rule, the whole theorem goes wrong. Okay, so always remember it is a RHS rule which you have to apply. And extra point we have given after CPCT. Every triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Correct? In RHS rule, how many angles we took? Only one, right angle. Then what are remaining angles? We mark this as angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. This 3, 4 angle sum is nothing but angle P, external point. Okay, means angle inclined by the two tangents. Angle inclined by the two tangents. What is the angle inclined by the two tangents given? 60 degree. So 1 and 2 will be half of P. Right? Then how much will be the answer? 60 by 2 is
30.
If this angle is 30 degree, this will be 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
How, sir? Right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
Now, when you take this right angle triangle, A, O, P, remember your trigonometry. If one angle is 90, sum of other two acute angles should be 90. Correct? Huh? Now, this is 30 degree means what is 90 minus 30? 60 degree. Now, this will be my reference angle. Okay, I'm just drawing the equivalent triangle here. Radius they have given as 3 centimeter. What I should find? Length of the tangent AP. Opposite by adjacent. Tan. Perpendicular by base. Tan. Those who took perpendicular and base, it is tan only. Opposite and adjacent. So tan O is equal to AP by AO. Tan 60 degree is equal to AP by radius is 3. Root 3 is equal to AP by 3. So what is your value of AP? 3 root 3 centimeter. Option number D. Option will be D. Inscribed circle, circumscribed circle. Inscribed, circumscribed. Inscribed circle means circle will be inside a polygon. That polygon might be anything. Circumscribed circle means circle will be outside. This is just to remember. But if you go for actual definition, okay, it is different. What is circumscribed circle means? If the circle passes through all the vertices of a polygon. Cyclic quadrilateral, do you remember? Of your 9th standard circles chapter. Same way. When you draw the cyclic quadrilateral, all the vertices are on the circumference of a circle, no? ABCD. If you take ABCD as a quadrilateral, such circles are called as circumscribed. If the circle touches the side, it is called as inscribed circle. The diameter will be equal to side, because point of contact when you join, those will become radius of the circle. Radius will be what? Diameter of the circle. That is called as dash. Longest chord of a circle. Again, basic concepts. So first you can draw this figure. A square and a circle. If I take ABCD as a square, in square all sides are unequal, no? Equal. Okay. So that I will take it as A. From center of these are called as what? Point of contact. If I join these 2 points, it will become what? Diameter of a circle. So when such figures are there, always remember diameter of circle is equal to side of a square. In simple, D is equal to A. Now in this question they said, what is the area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square of 6 centimeter? Who is the 6 centimeter? Diameter or side? No. First it is side. They gave square of 6 centimeter. Then square is having a side of length how much centimeter? 6 centimeter. Now D will be how much centimeter? Then what will be radius? 3. When radius is 3, I have to find area of circle, which is nothing but pi r square. Check in option. Did they substitute pi value? Pi into 3 square. 9 pi square. Sorry, 9 pi centimeter square. Complete this. And coming to question number 13, you should remember a plus b plus c whole square. What is a plus b plus c whole square, Sharanya?
A square plus B square plus C
Noted on without seeing you should say. Those 10 identities of 9th standard, you should remember. Right from a plus b plus c whole square to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And there is a special condition in this identity. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. They may frame a question based on this. Understood? So be mindful about all the formulas, because exactly that 9th standard identity only will apply for question number 13. So coming to question number 13, they gave the sum of length, breadth and height of cuboid. Length, breadth and height of cuboid is 6 root 3 centimeter. And the length of diagonal is 2 root 3 centimeter. But what is the formula for diagonal of a cuboid? That is important. First, we get cuboid with the help of rectangle only. Am I right? This is length, this is breadth, then this will be what? Diagonal. What type of triangle it is? Then this will be under root L square plus B square. That is the diagonal of a rectangle. Now what is extra for the rectangle? Height. Then it will become what? Cuboid. So the diagonal of a cuboid is under root L square plus B square plus H square is equal to. Now how do you remove this square roots? Okay, if not square on both sides, there is one more. Common. No reciprocal. Law of exponents. Root is called as a radical sign. This you will write it as to the power 1 by 2. When powers are shifted, they become reciprocal. That method is also there. So when you square on both sides, it is L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 2 root 3 whole square. In hurry, don't cancel 2 and root 3. Because the square should be applied for both the terms. 2 square is 4 3s are L square plus B square plus H square. Equation 2. This is equation 1. But what they are asking us to find? Total surface area of cuboid. And the formula for total surface area of cuboid is twice of LB BH HL. Okay. Now what I should do? Yes. What is that formula? Your A plus B plus C whole square. Instead of ABC, what I will take? LBH. L plus B plus H whole square. You need not to remember the formula right many times. Just remember this trick. L square plus B square plus. Okay. Now come from square. 2LB, 2BH plus 2HL. Or LH, whatever. What is L plus B plus H? 6 root 3 whole square. What is L square plus B square plus H square? 12 plus. In all these three numbers, these terms, we have 2 common. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 12 plus 2, 14. Correct? Why? So this is A plus of again products. Okay. So 636 into 3, 108. Check. This is equal to 12. Twice of LB plus BH plus HL is nothing but total surface area of cuboid. Now please subtract that. What? 96 centimeter square. Okay. Complete fast. That is a perfect solution. Under root of 4 into
Yes.
What is empirical relationship between mean, median, and mode? Empirical relation. Without saying, you should say 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. Okay. Question number 14. If the difference between mode, question number 14, if the difference between mode and median is 24, then what is the difference between median and mean? What I should find? Difference between median and mean. Then who is not there here? Who should be removed or replaced? Mode. Okay. We know that. I hope you know what? Empirical relation. 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus 1 mode or 1 into mode. 3 median minus 2 mean is nothing but mode. If I mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, now can I replace this mode with 3 median minus 2 mean? So when I replace it, it will be 3 median minus 2 mean minus median is equal to 24. Out of 3 medians, I remove 1 median. 2 median minus 2 mean is equal to 24. Take 2 common. Median minus mean is equal to 24. 1s are and 12s. So median minus mean is 12. This is your answer. Now next question which we are solving, again it is from circles chapter, deleted part, but still we will write the direct formula. Circle revolution. Revolution means what? Certain number of rotations. At least one rotation is one revolution. One rotation. Okay. Rotation is figure. Circular shape. So when it is rotating, we go through the boundary. So boundary of a circle is called as circumference of a circle. So remember this formula to solve question number 15. Note on the formula. Those who haven't written, number of revolutions n is equal to total distance by circumference of circle. This total distance or distance revolved, whatever. So n equal to capital D by circumference of circle to find number of revolutions. To find number of revolutions. Now, as per the question, the number of revolutions made by a circular wheel of radius 0.25, I will write as 1 by 4. For me, fraction only easy. If you feel no, sir, I am perfect in decimals, go ahead. Okay. So radius, I will rewrite it as 1 by 4. Then distance they have given as 11 kilometer. Please look at carefully the units. One is kilometer, another one is meter. Remember this conversion: kilometer to meter to centimeter to. When I'm going from kilometers to meters, I will multiply by meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter. Which is easy? Going multiplication is easy or division? Okay. Then kilometer to meter will be, is it 11,000 meter?
Yes, sir.
No. N is equal to D value already it is there 11,000. Please remember what is circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Pi is nothing but 44 by 7. Why? Pi is 22 by 7. Okay. So it will be 44 by 7. If it is 2 into 3.14, 6.28. If it radius is multiples of 10 table, substitute pi as decimal. Okay, because decimal shifting. Sir, these all how we should know means in 6th standard you have learned online. Integers, decimals, knowing your numbers. There you didn't knew what are the numbers. That's why you are facing the problem here. So remember your 6th standard textbook, old syllabus. There are a lot of basics related to your HCF LCM is also there. Okay, so try to know that. I don't know where these books are with you. Okay, right. Now n is equal to 11,000. 2 pi is 44 by 7. Radius is 1 by 4. 4 ones are extra. 11 ones are extra. What is remaining? N equal to 1000 by 1 by 7. This we make mistake. One step extra. Any bundle going? No. N is equal to 7 into 1000. How much? Which option? Option number D. Median class, model class, both will be same. You please check your problem where we have solved all the methods. Mean we found first, mode we found, then median. Whatever model class you are getting, what is model class? Highest frequency. The class interval which has the highest frequency is called as model class, and you can get from that class only, that itself is nothing but a median class, and whatever mean answer you are getting, it will be in that range only. Neither it will go above or neither it will be below. Sir, if it is going, sir, your calculation is wrong. Understood? Right. Completed? Sum of lower limits of median and model class. Highest frequency. So the model class is 15 to, even median class will be 15 to 20. Add these two. Sir, why I should add? They are asking what is the sum of lower limits of median and model class. 15 plus 15, 30. It was easy till now. Okay. Done? Shall I go for next? Question number 17. Without solving, direct answer, no doubt. You can check your classwork problems. Whenever 2 dice are rolled, n of s is no doubt 36. Any number occurring at least once. Any number occurring at least once. Your answer will be always 11 by 36. Not occurring 25 by 36. Okay. How, sir? Give example. Think that 2 should be occurring at least once. LL worth of 2. First is a 2 1, 2 2, 2 3. I know. 2 5, 2 6. Even I think there will be 1 2. Then 3 2. Then 4 2. 5 2. 6 2. Now count. Anyhow, this horizontal are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You go any number. It will be 11 by 36. And other answer will be not occurring means 25 by 36. What is the meaning of doublet? Avadi jodi. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. 6 by 36. Always it is 1 by 6. Now next concept is your leap year, non-leap year. Probability, correct? Huh? Any day, non-leap year, answer is 1 by 7. Any day, leap year, answer will be 2 by 7. In a year, how many days for non-leap year?
365.
How many weeks you get means what you will do? Division. With 7 you will do. Because 1 week has how many days? When you divide 365 by 7, your quotient will be 52. Remainder will be? These are 52 weeks. This one day, maybe any day from Sunday to Monday. Sunday to Saturday. Okay. When it is 366, that is leap year, it will be remainder 2. So answer will be 2 by 7. Suppose if they are asking Sunday only, there are two possibilities. Saturday, Sunday, one possibility. Sunday, Monday, second possibility. So the possible answer is 2 by 7. Okay. So remember this. And next, 18th question. Question number 18. If 5 tan beta is equal to 4, then a tan beta is what? What they have given? 5 sin beta. Remember the quotient rule. Actually, we can take directly. This can be written as sin by cos 4 and 5. But if there are any extra terms like here plus and minus, LCM terms will come. So avoid risk. How to represent sin as tan? Divide by cos. Why? Tan can be written as sin by cos. So when I divide both numerator and denominator by cos beta, what is sin by cos? Tan beta. Cos cancel, minus 2 divided by 5 tan beta plus 2. Now substitute the value. 5 into 4 by 5 minus 2. 5 into 4 by 5 plus 2. Srinidhi, 2 cancels, no? Why? Common LCM. You can't cancel. Okay. 5 gets cancelled. 4 minus 2. Now it will cancel 6. Correct, no? How? 4 minus 2, 2 by 6. Answer is 1 by 3. A option. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತೋರ್ತಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ತೋರ್ತಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ question number 19 which is nothing but assertion and reasoning girls assertion and reason if the product of two numbers is 5780 then HCF and LCM is given. HCF is 17 actually. We should check whether LCM is 340. So what is the prime factorization method formula? Product of two numbers is always equal to and LCM can be found as A into B by H, writing in different forms. What is the product of two numbers? He said 5780 divided by 17 and 100% they are multiples of 17 table. 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51. What is remaining? 6, 68 fours are. What is LCM? means assertion is true. Assertion is true. Reason, HCF is always a factor of LCM. Now here only we have done. Okay, whatever LCM we are getting, in this LCM we will be getting HCF. How? Imagine 6 and 12. I'm finding HCF and LCM. 6 can be written as 2 3s. 12 can be written as 6 into 2. Again, this is 2 into 3. Now 6 is expressed as 2 into 3. 12 is expressed as 2 square into 3. So HCF will be 2 into 3. LCM will be what? 2 square into 3. In this 2 square, whether 2 will be there as a factor? Yes. And in this 3 also, whether 3 is a factor? So always HCF is a factor of LCM. Even reason is true. And this will be the right explanation for assertion. So which option? Option A answer. Okay. Next question number 20. Before solving the statement, reason, I will read out. The line joining the midpoints of two sides of triangle. The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where did you learn?
And
Yesterday I have already said in hostel. Those who came new candidates, you tell. ಎಲ್ಲರೇ ಓದ್ದಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳದಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ in the triangles it is MPT, midpoint theorem, which was there in quadrilateral chapter. That is what CBSE says. Competency based questions means NCRT basics from where 6th standard to 9th standard. What all concepts you have learned from 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th, those you are applying here. And you have already seen how we have applied the diagonal of a cuboid. This was there in 8th standard mensuration chapter, when you done the problems of a cube, cuboid and cylinder, if you remember. Okay, so those only we are applying here. 9th standard algebraic identities. Okay, factors, you learned factors in the 6th standard. Your first exercise was of 2-digit, 3-digit or 4-digit number expressed as factors. Next they gave 2 digits, means the 2 numbers. Those they said you to express as factors. And third exercise was finding HCF and LCM. And last exercise was word problems. This is how they were. So that concepts only are continued here. They can frame the questions in that way. Okay. Now, as you all said, now statement you are true. It is a midpoint theorem. So based on midpoint theorem only, we have to check which answer is correct or wrong. ABC is a triangle. If D and E are midpoints, line joining the midpoint will be parallel to third side and it is equal to half of base. This is your midpoint theorem. Cross multiply. Twice of DE is equal to BC. They have given D and E points. Here the D point 3, 5. What is E point? -3, -3. Now D means distance formula. Okay. So BC is equal to twice of under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. I am solving by which concept here? Midpoint theorem. I am solving this problem with the help of which concept? Midpoint theorem. Reason is saying that only, no? Then what will be your answer actually? A. But we should get this answer, BC 20. Okay. So 2 under root x1 minus x2. 3 minus into minus will become 6 square. 5 minus into minus. 5 plus 3. 8 square. 2 into 36 plus 64. What is square root of Shambhur? 10 twos are. Then our answer is, means statement is true and reason is the right explanation for this assertion. So what will be your answer? Option A. So this is your 20 MCQs. Now 2 minutes time will give. Then we'll start section B. which is again most important. Again, here problems are of different. Circle formula also you should remember here. Today section B, section C. We will solve these two. Okay, section B, section C. We'll see up to 12:30 or 1. How much possible we'll do. Okay. So it took almost 1 hour to complete this MCQs, but in exam only 30 minutes. Since I explained all the concepts and all, it may took 1 hour. But you should be very much fast enough, like those shortcut formulas. You try by yourself and you find the shortcut formulas. It is possible. Okay. So by that, within 30 minutes, you should be able to complete the MCQs. If you take more time here, gone place. Right? Now, section B. Section B. First question. Given section B, 21st question. If you are not interested, get lost. 49x plus 51y is equal to 499. 51x plus 49y is equal to 501. Equation 1, equation 2. Elimination method you can apply. Okay. But coefficients are not same. Elimination method I can apply. But coefficients are not same. For example, multiply coefficient means they are very large. So in classwork, the lower part of your classwork, you please check your written. When x and y are numerically large, when x and y are numerically large, step 1, add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. ಈಗ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 49 plus 51, 100x. 49 plus 51, 100y is equal to 501, 499. This is 1000. Take 100 common. What is remaining? X plus y is equal to 1000. 2 zeros cancel. What is your equation now? X plus y equal to 10. Equation 3. Step 2. Before subtraction, you please check which x is greater. First anta, second anta. You can do first minus second also, but minus na barte. I will always keep my first term positive. Okay. Sir, no sir, I am perfect in any sign means your choice. For me, first term should be positive. So what I will do? Subtract equation 2 minus 1. What is 51 minus 49? Huh? 2. Very good. 2x. 49 minus 51? Minus 2y. 501 minus 499? What is common here? X minus y equal to 2. 2 cancel. X minus y is equal to 1. Equation 4. Now you can apply elimination or you do substitution. Try. Solve. Hmm? How much x and y value? X value? 11 by 2. Fractions only you say. 9 by 2. 11 by 2, 9 by 2. Means either 5.5, 4.5. Before solving 22nd, 24a, everybody. 24a, I will tell you. There was one problem, no? Minute hand 14 centimeter, it swept for 5 minutes. 1 minute is equal to how many degrees? 6 degree. Okay. Same kind of problem, slightly changed. I will read out the question. The length of the minute hand of a clock, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 6 centimeter. Means what is the 6 centimeter? Radius. Find the area swept by it when it moves from 7.5 to 7.40. 7.5 to 7.40. Your hand, minute hand. 5 minutes is here. Where is 40? Somewhere here. Correct? Huh? So minute hand. Don't think this is a semicircle. Slight change will be there. Almost like this. This area I have to find, but I don't know what is theta. Radius is 6 centimeter. Time they give 7.5 to 7.40. How many minutes it has swept? 35 minutes. So theta is equal to 35 into 6 degree, because 1 minute is equal to how many degrees? Then 60 minutes is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 360, one rotation. Okay. Now when you multiply this, you will get answer as 210 degree. Ishte madadru half per 6 ನೋಡಿ. Okay. Figure I think you should draw. Figure given what I should find. This systematic approach should be there. Because as per the marking scheme, minimum half or 1 mark will be given. And if you write the formula also, answer 66 centimeter square. Okay. I'll solve it. Once you get a theta, question number 24a. Question number 24a. 24a. Now, area means what I should find? Sector or segment? Sector. What is area of sector formula? Area of sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360. Area of circle into given angle by total. Major sector means reflex 360 minus theta. What is pi value? 22 by 7. Radius is 6 means I'll write it as 36. Why, sir? 36 tens up. Okay. Into what is theta? 210 by 360. 0, 0. 36, 36. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. One step extra. Okay. 22 by 7 into 21. 7 ones are 7 threes. Look, it looks systematic also. Okay. 66 centimeters square. This is area of sector. Complete. After this, draw that figure. B12. Again, your angle sum property of a quadrilateral, if you know, you can solve. Sector problem, but angle of sum of angles of a quadrilateral you should know. 6 square is matane bande. I'm asking that. A bit fast. 24B now. First, I'll draw the figure. There is a quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, D. This area of shaded region I should find. What type of shape they are? Sector. In the given figure, arcs have been drawn of radius 7 centimeter, each with vertex A, B, C, and D of a quadrilateral. Means these are how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Means from point B, they have drawn an arc of 7 centimeter. 7. All are of what shape? Sector shape. How many sectors are there? But I don't know angle ABCD. But they all are in the shape of sectors. Find the area of the shaded region. Note down. Area of shaded region is equal to area of sector A, area of sector B, area of sector C, and area of sector D. What is area of sector formula? Pi r square theta by 360. But I don't know what are the theta. Instead of theta, they are angle ABCD. Please understand. What is the area of sector formula? Pi r square theta by 360. Do you know what is the value of theta here? No. But in place of theta, what we have? We have vertex A, B, C, D. Pi r square angle A divided by 360. Similarly, pi r square angle B by 360. Pi r square angle C by 360. Pi r square angle D by 360 degree. What is common in these four? Pi r square by 360. What is remaining? Angle A plus B plus C plus D. What is angle sum property of a quadrilateral now? ABCD in which figure it comes? Quadrilateral. We know what is the basic formula of angle sum property of quadrilateral. 360 degree. Pi r square by 360 into 360. 360 cancel. Pi value 22 by 7. Radius 7 square. 117 cancel. What is 22 sevens up? 14, 15 centimeter square. This is concept. At least you first apply the formula. You'll come to know what it is. Once you apply formula, theta is not there. But what is there in place of theta? These vertex angles are there. Now in this entire equation, certain terms are common. Those terms are pi r square by 360. Remaining are sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral, which is nothing but 360 degree. So your answer is 154 centimeter square. 23rd question after this. 23rd. And it is again 9th standard formula. Question number 23. Question number 23. First, draw the figure, everybody. In the given figure, O is center of a circle. Find angle AQB. Find angle AQB. P and PB are tangents, and angle APB is 75 degree. No doubt these are 90 degree. And there is one formula: angle at the center plus angle inclined by the tangent is always supplementary. Okay, that formula will apply. We know that in quadrilateral AOBP, some they apply angles property of quadrilateral also. What is 90 plus 90? 180. 180 plus 75 minus 360 minus of this answer. Instead of that, in quadrilateral AOBP, angle P plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. What is angle P? They have given 75 degree plus angle O is equal to 180. Then angle O will be 180 degree minus 75. Can anybody tell what is the answer of this? 105 degree. But this is not my answer. I need AQB. I know now this angle, which is nothing but 105 degree. Hang on. Anupa. Your formula. 9th standard. There was one theorem, no, most important. 3 circles. Angle at the center of a circle is double the angle anywhere on the circumference. Correct? Adhe concept. Don't write by theorem 9.7 of class 9. Okay, some they will write. No, that is not the statement. We know that. Not all. We know that angle at the center of circle. We know that angle at the center of a circle. Angle at the center of a circle is double the angle. Is double the angle anywhere on the segment. Is double the angle anywhere on the circle. On the circle. So same concept. Angle AOB. Angle AOB is equal to double of angle AQB. What is AOB? 105 degree. Twice of AQB. 2 1s are. Extras are 52.5. Angle AQB is equal to 52.5 degree. Complete. Direct hand was the is your replace. Now, question number 22. Triangles. Question number 22. Silence. Question number 22. First, let us draw the figure. Given AD by AE. AD by AE is equal to AC by AD. Angle 1 is equal to 2. To prove triangle BAE is similar to triangle CAD. It looks similar to your textbook question only, but a slight difference is there with the concept of 9th standard. You check your 6.3 exercise, question number 4 or 5. Same question is there. Slight modified they have done. Instead of getting direct answer, you should apply 9th standard one theorem. What is that? Let us see. Look at carefully. They said something angle 1 is equal to 2. Where does this 1 and 2 comes? Huh? In a triangle BAD, angle 1 and angle 2 are. Then I will say it is isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir.
Why? Sides opposite to. First you will go for, since angles are equal, sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are. In a triangle BAD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. This implies AB is equal to BD, equation 1. Here you have to write the statement. First copy this, I will tell you the statement. Be first. No. Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Now something can be replaced. Statement once again, sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Look at in the question, there is BD, right? Can I replace the BD by AB? Therefore, AD by AE, you can mark this as Roman number 1. Therefore, Roman 1 becomes AD by AE is equal to AC by AB, equation 2. Now take the blue pen or black pen. Now just mark the sides ratio. Which are the sides? AD by AE. AD is the longest side. AD by AE is equal to AC by AB. What type of concept it comes here? If two sides ratios are equal, very good. Then the line joining the points is parallel to third side, which is nothing but a converse of BPT. By converse of BPT, in a triangle ACD, who will be parallel now? BE will be parallel to CD, which implies angle B will be equal to angle C, which implies angle B is equal to angle C. Why angle B is equal to angle C?
Parallel transversal.
Corresponding angles, complementary alla, corresponding. Now you take those triangles which they said to prove. In a triangle, this is equation 3. Looks like a 3 marks question, no? That is mathematics standard. Okay. In a triangle BAE and triangle CAD, in both one angle is common. Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Angle B is equal to angle C, equation 3, athava corresponding angle. By angle similarity, triangle BAE is similar to triangle CAD, hence proved. Complete. Total cost. So 25th question is all about trigonometry. One will be homework, one I will solve it because that is direct textbook question. That's all homework. So mane command alla. Question number 25. If sine of A plus B is 1, cos of A minus B is root 3 by 2, condition is given, find angle A and B. Direct question from your textbook. Okay? It is a direct question. Sine of A plus B is equal to what? 1. You should now check in the sine function only. For what angle it is 1? Don't write directly 90. Write a sine 90 degree. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine 90. Don't cancel sine. They are not products. Every trigonometric function is defined with reference to the given angles. Okay, it actually there is a concept of inverse trigonometric function. When sine comes to the RHS, it will become sine inverse of sine 90. This you will learn in PUC second year, chapter number 2, inverse trigonometric function. Sine inverse of sine x is x only, which is nothing but 90 degree. So based on that concept, this implies angle A plus B is 90 degree. Okay, equation 1. What is second one? Cos of A plus B is equal to root 3 by 2. Now again, which trigonometric function table you should go? Cos. For what cos you will get the root 3 by 2? Not 30, cos 30. Cos of A plus B. Again same, by the concept of ITF, inverse trigonometric function, cos inverse of cos is the function itself, which is nothing but, sorry, this is A minus B. Equation 2. Find angle A and B, take it as homework.
B
30, 60. It is within the range. 0 degree greater than sum of those two angles, 90 degree. It is greater than 90 but equal to 90. Greater than 0 equal to 90. There is a condition C. You should check whether that condition will satisfy or no. 0 degree is always less than sum of two acute angles, but this sum of two acute angles should be always less than or equal to So whatever answer you're getting, angle A, how much you got? 60. 60 plus B angle, how much you got? 60 plus 30. Is 90 greater than 0 degree? Is 0 less than 90 degree? Is 90 equal to 90 degree? Your answer is right. Clear? Now we'll do the second one. Given cos theta 25b, cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root. One method is cross multiply into. Another method, I am simplifying in such a way that I can equate the equations of LHS and RHS. First, what I will do, take LHS, divide numerator and denominator by cos, because this will become 1 minus, so that I can equate LHS and RHS. Cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta whole divided by cos by cos plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to, this will be as usual, 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Cos gets cancelled. 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Now please look at, when you simplify LHS and RHS, can I say tan theta is equal to root 3? Again go to tan table. For what value you will get root 3? Tan 60. And what will be your theta angle? This is the solution of B. I hope when you will solve first only, because it is a very similar question of your textbook. Only values they have changed. 1 by root 3. So section B is done. Section C. Completed? Okay. Question section C, you note down heading. Section C. The question is, given root 3 is irrational. Already they said root 3 is irrational. They didn't ask prove that. Given root 3 is irrational, then prove that 5 plus 2 root 3 is irrational. Actually easy. But statement what we have written in the class work, that is important. Hence proved, hence our assumption wrong, hence it is irrational number, 1 mark wrong. What we have written in the class work, same you have to write. Okay, if you have textbook, you please check such problems. How they have written the statement. Now first we'll assume let 5 plus root 3 be a rational number. Okay, then we'll write P by Q is equal to 5 plus 2 root 3. First I will shift to 5. P by Q minus 5 equal to, I will take LCM. P minus 5Q equal to 2 root 3. 2 is a rational number. Root 3 is a irrational. 2 if I want to shift to LHS, multiplication will become, division will become, okay. P minus 5Q by 2Q is equal to root 3, Roman number 1. If you write up to this, 2 marks. 1 mark is statement only. From Roman number 1, LHS is in the form of a rational number. RHS should be, but root 3 is a rational and irrational. Are they equal to each other? Then our assumption fails by method of contradiction. 5 plus 2 root 3 is a irrational number. This statement very big. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Our assumption is wrong. Okay, it is irrational number. You write it. You lose minimum half per guarantee. Okay. In this 3 marks question, already I have solved the 31st question. That probability I give now. Before setting up this online classes, 2 dice are rolled. Find the probability of at least one, at most one tail, and this was the last question. Okay, so 31st. See, 4 marks it came from probability. One MCQ was there. One 3 marks question. Total how much? 4. Statistics 7 marks. There is one 5 marks question. Finding x and y value. I will explain you that. Okay. And MCQ 2, I guess. One is of modal and median class. 1 mark is of empirical relation. 5 plus 2 how much? 7 plus 4, 11. So this is how they make the question paper. Okay, weightage. MCQ ne barbeku antilla 2 marks kelbodu. They may interchange that 2 marks here and there. Instead of giving 2 MCQ, they may give one theory question, and any theory question which is of 2 marks. If, for example, pair of linear equation, for 2 marks they may ask MCQ. Triangles they may ask MCQ. Anything they may ask. You see only the weightage of marks. Don't expect that 1 mark will come from this chapter only, 2 marks will come from this chapter only as per question paper. No. Only few questions will come. Statistics 5 marks, theorem 5 marks. Okay. Then root 2, root 3, 3 marks. Graph, if you are lucky, 3 marks. But here there is no graph question in this set of question paper. They asked a word problem. Okay. So this is how they frame the chapters. Now note down question number 29. Question number 29. Question number 29. Prove that tan cube theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to secant into cosecant theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. Again, algebraic identities you should know. Without knowing algebraic identities, you can't solve. First take LHS everybody. LHS equal to what can be written as 1 plus tan square? Identities. Secant square. Tan cube theta by secant square theta plus cot cube theta. 1 plus cot square can be written as cosecant square theta. Now, tan theta, I will write it as sine cube by cos cube theta. Secant I will write as 1 by cos square theta. Main trigonometry functions are sine, cos, tan. Try to convert in that way. Because see, even in answer I need sine and cos. Where we are getting secant and cosecant, we'll see later. But at least I need what? Sine and cos. So how to convert tan and cot? Quotient rule. Tan can be written as sine by cos. Cot can be written as cos by sine. Plus cos cube theta by sine cube theta. And cosecant square 1 by sine square theta. Now sine cube theta by cos cube theta into 1 by cos square can be written as cos square by 1 plus cos cube theta by sine cube theta into 1 by sine square can be written as sine square by 1. Sine square get cancelled, cos square get cancelled. What is remaining? Sine cube theta by cos theta. 2 cos, out of 3, 2 gone means how many remaining? 1 cos is remaining. Out of 3 sine, 2 sines are gone. What is remaining? 1 sine. Plus cos cube theta by sine theta. This is just a conversion. After conversion, LCM. After LCM, one identity of your 9th standard. That will, okay. A cube to a to the power 4, let us see. I think 1, 2, 3 steps are written. First 3. Now, what is LCM?
Cos sine.
Huh?
Sine cos.
Sin theta into cos theta is LCM. Please compare now the denominators. There is cos already, cancels. What is multiplied? Sin cube into sin. Sin to the power 4 theta. Sin and sin cancel. Cos will be multiplied. Cos to the power 4 theta. There is formula for a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 also. But what I will do is, I will write this as sin square theta whole square, cos square theta whole square. What is the a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square, 2ab comes to LHS, minus 2ab, which is nothing but a square plus b square can be written as what? A plus b whole square minus. Now this is in what form? A square plus, but what is the value of a? Sin square theta. What is value of b? Sir, hinge yak madiri. What is sin square plus cos square? Identity. One for that concept. And they are even number powers. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Sir, 6 2 to the power 3 mode. A cube plus b cube. And what is a cube plus b cube? What is a cube plus b cube formula? There are 2 formulas. You remember this. A cube plus B cube is nothing but A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Or there is one more formula, A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. There will be such problems. You can check any reference book. Again, which identities these are? 9th standard. So remember the identities of grade 9. Now, based on this, anyhow, this will be sine theta, cos theta. What is A square plus B square can be written as A plus B whole square minus 2AB. What is the value of A and B? Sine square into cos square whole divided by sine theta into cos theta. Now you look at carefully. What is sine square plus cos square? 1 square minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta by sine theta into cos theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta whole divided by sine theta into cos theta. Now sine into cos is the common LCM for both the terms. So I will write this as 1 by sine theta into cos theta minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta by sine theta into cos. I think this will cancel, no? Now, what is 1 by sine theta? Okay. What is 1 by cos theta? Minus what is remaining? 2 sine theta into cos theta. 1 by sine is cosecant. 1 by cos is secant. Please look at your RHS from the question. Secant into cosecant minus 2 sine theta into, this is your RHS value. Okay, so complete this. Remaining we'll see tomorrow. Okay, another 10 problems are there overall. So almost 2 days, one sample paper we will solve. Today I have solved standard paper of 22-23. Tomorrow one day also we will go same. Then 23-24, then 24-25, then 25-26. After all these 4 year standard paper, basics we will solve. Why I am solving basic? It is almost NCERT. But few questions again they are also concept based. So totally 8 papers we will solve. Is that clear? Right? So we'll stop here. Still writing? Complete. Tomorrow directly come and sit here. That 15-20 minutes will not be wasted. So once you come, we will start directly. Okay, the setup and all will be done. No talking.